sticker on the back of my truck. There ain't another like it, cause I had it made up. I can tell who's behind it, they're giving sense away. Lay on the horn when they're reading his praise. Honk, if you honky tonk. Don't, if you don't, but if you do, don't you love to honk if you honky tonk. Day and Friday night go hand in hand. Ice cold beer and a swinging band. A girl in my arms who won't let go. She caught my little sign about a mile ago. Honk if you honky tonk. Don't if you don't, but if you do, don't you love to honk if you honky tonk. Just the other day I was cruising through town. The sheriff pulled me over, I thought I had it now. I rolled down my window, he said with a grin, I want one of them stickers or I'm gonna run you in. Honk if you honky tonk. Don't if you don't, but if you do, don't you love to honk if you honky tonk. Honk if you honky tonk. Don't love to honk if you honky tonk. Honk if you honky tonk. Oh yeah, I hear you honking. Pull it on over, let's honky tonk. All right, before we do this song, let me explain. I've been hearing a lot of